In this video, you'll learn how to share a Canva design directly through WhatsApp, making collaboration effortless. First, select the recent design your project. As you can see, this is my design. It was already designed beforehand. Click on the Share button to start setting up access for your Canva design. Next, review the access level. Change it from only you can access to anyone with the link so collaborators don't need to sign in. Adjust the permissions by selecting Can Edit if you want others to make changes, or choose Can View to limit them to read-only access. Now, click the Public View link option, then create the link so it's shareable. Once the link is ready, click to copy it to your clipboard. Switch to your WhatsApp tab, then select the Message Input field to begin composing your message. Paste the copied Canva link into the message field and make sure it's ready to send. Send the link in your WhatsApp chat so recipients can view your design or copy it for easy access later. You've just learned how to share your Canva design easily on WhatsApp.